These are lifts at Primark in Northampton. So one.
Going up. Doors closed.
Slow doors. EcoDisc MX20s, built in 2014.
First
They do pre-doors.
doors open.
Nice colour too.
Going down.
Go down. Epic motor sound.
Ground floor.
You got ground.
Doors open.
Go back to one.
Going up. First
Here we are at one. And that's
doors
it.
open.
These are glass lifts at the Grosvenor Shopping Centre in Northampton. That's a foray. Here we go up. These lifts go 1.6 metre a second and are really nice. They're still mostly original express lifts. They've only had a slight mod by Ellen Lifts, with their logic and buttons having been replaced. And these lifts are quite busy. There's only one of the two lifts is working. We go down to Newton Walk. Down. We go down at Newton Walk, and we go up to 4A. Look up, okay. We're up at 4A, we've got the original bell, the original door mechanism. We'll finish down on Newton Walk. Built in probably 1990-91, modded 2010s by Ellen Lifts. We're out Newton Walk, and that's it. It's another set of main lifts. Grosvenor Shopping Centre, Northampton. That's a 5A. These lifts are far too slow for the number of floors they go. I think they said 8 floors, and I feel like they only go 1 metre a second. They've been modernised by Jackson Lift Group. They used to be express lifts, but they've been modded by Jackson Lift Group with digital advanced. And only one of these two lifts is working also. We are at 5A. Glass lifts don't come as high as 5A, unfortunately.
Doors opening.
We're going to lower, which is Newton Walk. Stopping at 2A. See, digital advance is not suited to this because it doesn't announce the floors. These are the set of main lifts that only go between Upper Mall and so the set of lifts that only go to Upper Mall, not to 6. Oh wow, the doors close as soon as I press the button. These ones also used to be express lifts. These ones have also been modernised, but this time with ILE, but it's still with Jackson lift route. Oh, that hit his roller.
6th floor.
We are at 6. Go down to Princess Walk. Voice is glitchy, but that's to be expected with ILE. Door roller here. Whoa! At some point that's going to emergency stop, I think. S is Service Road.
Top level.
Yeah, don't get confused. That's S is Service Road on the indicator. And that's it. Here is going to be Explorer Service Road. So, there's loads of service lifts here. Lift A, which used to be an express lift, except it's been modernised, actually replaced. I believe Jackson Lift Group done it. Now we're going to cross the road. And we're going this way. We've got main lifts. These go down to the shopping centre. See, those buttons work, but these ones, they've left some old Dewhurst in place, even though they don't work. I thought they would have removed them. Now we come. That's where the glass lifts enter, but there's only doors there and it's quite dangerous to go up there, so I'm not going to bother going up there, because if you fall down, instant death. Right. Here we go out into an open bit. Now, let's go along to lift well H. I'm going to go off to H now. Where? Another service lift. I'm assuming this used to be an express lift too, but this has also been replaced, I think. So let's go off this way now. There's G. I don't know what's beyond there. I'm guessing another service lift. There's glass bit, that's where the glass lifts are. Got some ducting air conditioning units. And here we go off to Unit F, which also has a service lift that's also been replaced. There's tons of service lifts here that have been replaced, honestly. I wish they were all original. So we go going this way now. There would be lifts through there, I'm not going to go through there just in case. Well, the barrier shuts and I get trapped. Assuming in E there's probably another service lift, but it's shut. Some more ducting air conditioning units. Now we cross the road again. Glass roof, I don't know where that leads. And there's D, I see another service lift in there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there is another service lift. And I'm guessing this one's also been replaced, just like the others. And there are another set of main lifts in the shopping centre that serve the non-A floors. But one of those are abandoned, I think. And I believe if we cross again, we'll get to another set of service lifts. We're now on the inside part. See this way to shops. Let's see if we can find another service lift. So we go this way and we come Some more service lifts. Got set 2 this time, which have also been replaced. We work our way this way and we come back to lift A. That's I'm assuming the lift shaft, I'm guessing. Here we are back at lift A. So that's it. This is the lift at Boots in Northampton. It's got DMG.
This lift is going up. Doors closing.
It's older lift.
Floor 1.
I reckon it's an older lift that got modernised by Pickering's. The indicator's not working.
Doors opening.
Not efficient at all.
Doors closing.
It's got these horrid DMG buttons. Not very fast either.
Floor 0.
And that's it.
Doors opening.
This is the lift at H&M in Northampton. To 1.
This lift is going up. Doors closing.
It is, I believe, a rare Thyssen lift that's had it used to have this lift is going
Floor
up
1.
voice. It's been replaced. It might have even had its logic replaced.
Doors opening.
See, lower ground is staff use only.
Doors closing.
It's nice it has its original buttons. Got overload button, which you can't press.
Ground floor.
Bit bumpy. Traction to. It's had its exterior buttons replaced.
Doors opening.
This is the lift at Northamptonshire Central Library in Northampton. You see it's got 3. It's actually got 3 buttons to call the lift, which is quite unique. We've got to 1. This is an old Keithley lift, which is extremely rare. That indicator doesn't work, so this one that works.
Floor 1.
Here we are at 1. Basement's locked, we'll go to ground. And I hear a beeping sound in the motor room, so I'm guessing the logic's been replaced on this lift. But it still has its original buttons, which is really nice.
Ground floor.
We're at ground, back up to 1. It's got a really epic motor sound. It's had some modern Dewhurst added. Here we are at floor 1. We'll finish on ground. Just take a listen to that motor sound. It's just so epic. Here we are at ground floor. And that's it. Lift at St Michael's Road car park in Northampton.
Going up.
There used to be some Combe TMS lifts Been modernised by Jackson Lift Group. Not sure when, probably in the 2010s. Maintained by R&J. Surprisingly, they haven't gone for express here. Built in 1989. These ones.
7.
And this lift has dodgy beam sensors.
Door,
We're at 7. Go down to 1.
please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Going down.
Got ILE logic, this one.
One.
We are down at 1. And that's it.
Door,
These are the lifts that the Premier in. These are the lifts that the Premier in Northampton. Up to 4. I think there's some Schindler 3300 lifts. Got the Schindler 5400 voice. Right, floor 4, you go down to -1. Door close button does not work. We got floor -1. And that's it. These are the odd lifts at the St John's car park in Northampton.
This lift is going up. Doors closing.
Up to 11. These used to be some express lifts. They have been replaced by Jackson Lift Group and have got digital advanced.
Floor 11.
Replaced in about 2020, maybe 2021.
Doors opening.
We are, go down to 1.
Doors closing.
I don't really like that chime that much. Speed's decent.
Floor.
What?
Doors opening.
Maintained by R&J. And that's it. This is one of the sets of lifts at the Mayorhold car park in Northampton.
This lift is going
Go down to
down.
floor 1.
Doors closing.
There used to be some express lifts that have been replaced by Jackson Lift Group in probably 2019, just a guess. Maybe even 2020. I'm not sure though.
Floor 1.
We are at 1.
Doors opening.
Go back up to
Doors
5.
closing.
Got digital advanced. Starting to get sick of Jackson Lift Group.
Floor 5.
We are at 5. And that's it. Not very efficient either.
Doors opening.
This is the lift at Tkmaxx in Northampton. Up to 1. Those are not buttons. is apparently Excelsior lifts. Ooh, wow, this lift isn't in great condition. But that's like an indicator as to which direction it's going. Go down to ground. It's got these buttons, which I'm not sure what these are. They seem to get used on cheap lifts, maintained by Lift Tech. Lift is cheap. And that's it. Overload. No, I can't miss that. That's it. These are the lifts at VUE in Northampton. The button's a bit, you know, I hope. Here it is. Glass. It's got a window. And there's pre-doors. Got to 2. Oh, no, it's a fan. We're up at 2. It's got the motors at the bottom of the shaft. That's not a button. This lift is very nice. It gets ahead of itself. It was built in 2001. Here we are. 2. We're up at 2. We'll go down to ground. See 3 doors.
Going down.
There's a fan button there.
Doors closing. Ground floor.
We are ground. And that's it. There's the motor. I'm not sure what it is.